We got a package today. Do you know what this is? What is it?
It's dog collars.
We got new dog collars. We got our new Beau and Nora dog collars. And we haven't opened them yet.
So we're opening them? Yeah.
We're going to open them with you. And we actually are brand ambassadors for Beau and Nora. So we are proud to share a discount code below in the comment box. So definitely check that out so you can get a discount. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Do you want to take them out?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we first have this one.
Oh, there's three.
So we have this one
We got three.
for one, and we have three. So this one's probably gonna be for my head.
No, honey, don't be silly. Okay. So these, we got some nice fall colors. Now
Fall colors are actually green, orange, and yellow.
I stand corrected. We got neutral colors. Okay. We got some neutral colors here. Now, all of their collars are custom made and ordered, so you get to pick the colors. They have tons of colors, and they have lots of different styles. This is their newer style. It's a little bit wider, and you can pick the hardware color. But everything is made out of this biothane, so it's completely waterproof. It's really easy to clean, which is nice because they get dirty. But yeah, these are our new ones. Should we try them on?
Yeah.
Okay. Ava.
This is our first dog that we tried on.
Okay. So this is another Beau and Nora collar, and this is one that is made to hold the Fi GPS. So this is Ava's other collar that we have.
We have a bunch of collars for all the
Which
dogs.
one should be for Ava? The gray
This one? No, that's actually a light purple.
This is gray. It's called cement. The color is cement, so it's not light purple. We
Ava,
lost
get
Ava.
back here.
It's
Ava.
cement. You want? I thought I was gonna put this one on Nico.
That's actually a gold color. This is a boy. This is
For those of you curious about the cement, it's a girl color. Ava, come here. It's gonna be Ava's, even though I bought it for Nico.
Yeah, but it can fit any kind of dog. So
Yeah, you can get a different size for any kind of dog.
yeah. So it could fit Ava or Mila or Nico.
Probably gonna switch this to Nico because I was thinking the gray would look nice on him.
It kind of looks pretty on Ava.
I mean, everything looks pretty on Ava.
You mean that one should be for Mila?
I think I got this one for Bubby, for Nico.
But you could change them anywhere.
You could change them.
Can I go take off Nico's collar and show them?
Yeah, why don't we bring Nico over here? All right, break, Ava. Go on. Mila, come here.
Well, wait, I don't really know.
Hi, Mila. Mila's wearing pajamas. Mila had an incident last week, and she ran against something.
And they got
When
a
it was
big
dark.
a red one and a...
She got a
So
big
that's why
gash.
she's wearing these jammies, because she got staples and...
Yeah, she had to get staples. All right.
Oh, yeah.
Which one should be for Mila? Should we do the black one?
Yeah. Mila is dark, so she should be black.
All right.
Wow, she looks pretty in that.
She does look pretty in this.
And
She
Nico
looks
should
great.
have the gray one, because we should all have different kind of colors for each dog. Did you get that one for Ava or Mila?
I got it, I think, for Mila.
So that's
So
good.
that looks nice.
Did you get the gray one?
So
And
these are whiter than our old
This
ones.
is actually gray.
This
Wait.
isn't gray. This is like I think it's olive. I don't remember if I got olive or mushroom. It's one of those. It's a neutral color.
It's an olive. It's an olive.
I think olive is greener than this. I think this is called mushroom. Here,
It's
bud.
olive. So Nico bought a toy
He did.
that I put a bone in for them to play with it.
All right, so something about Beau and Nora collars that I like is they...
come-
Oh, hi, Mila.
Come here, Nico.
They can customize collars for e-collars, the Fi collars. So you can get a lot of things customized. You can also get these really cute little bows. I'll only do things for a ball. Sit. Sit. Stay. Oh, you look very
this is
handsome. Very handsome.
No, too short.
I mean, he looks good in this color though. I got the gray one for him.
But Ava looks pretty romantic. Wait, one.
Does she? I got
She
this
looks
one
like a
for
new
her.
girl.
Do
All
you,
of the dogs look like new girls.
do you think that maybe when you go to school tomorrow and I change it, it'll be all right? Do you think you'll notice when you get home?
I would know this.
You would?
Yeah.
Doesn't that look good? Nico's so handsome.
Nico, can I pose it up?
No, because I'm making him model.
So this is our last doggy to show you why.
Take it. Good boy. Also, they have a lot of fun colors. Paige, why don't you run outside and get some of our other ones that we have? And leashes. My lovely assistant here has brought us some of their bows. We actually had these from before, but they're pretty cute. They just strap on to the collar with this elastic.
And Ava is kind of mean to the other one, so.
Ava's a bully.
Yeah.
Everybody loves Ava the most if they don't know her, but she's a
Yeah.
bully.
But whenever she looks like with that new collar on that we got, actually Nico, she actually acts like lazy. She just acts lazy. She's like this.
The collar makes her lazy.
Yeah.
I think she's just tired because she went on a walkie.
And it acts like she's a noodle.
So these are some of our older ones, so you can see the big variety of colors that they have. These are some of the collars that are made for the Phi. But in Europe, we won't be able to use the Phi GPS.
And I even put the sticker on so you know what letter they start with.
This is Nico's. In Germany, the Phi, this one came off. The Phi colors won't work. The GPS won't work in Europe
Actually, I
yet.
put M on this, but it came off.
Yeah.
Ava probably ate it.
I was talking.
Yeah.
All right, so that's it. We got our new collars, and we love them. We'll see you guys next time.
They look good.
They look great. Get your discount code below. Also, subscribe, like, comment, follow, whatever you need to do so that you can see us next time.